Are you wasting your free time watching videos but not making any money? Did you know that you can actually make passive income by just exactly doing that? If you want to know how, well, this video is exactly for you. Right now, I'm going to show you how to turn your free time spent watching videos into big bucks. All you need to do is lay on your bed and watch some of favorite YouTube videos. By this method, you can earn $3 per video and earn up to $150 per day by watching 50 videos. If you don't want to miss any details about getting that big sum of money, well, stick around till the end. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything and how you can earn quick money online. Now, just before we get started, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. With everything out of the way, let's go right into the video so I can show you everything. Let's get started. Now I want you to go to YouTube and look for a Plank tutorial right now. As you can see, there are a variety of options. These types of videos also have tens of thousands of views, as you can see. Now let's see how we make money with today's strategy by utilizing these videos. The next step would be to go to google.com and search for adfoc.us. You can view all of the results right here, but I want you to click on the first one. This is the website's homepage. You can basically shrink, share, and earn on this website. You can earn a lot of money by shrinking some URLs and sharing them on the internet. So let's give it a shot. Let's go to YouTube and use this video as an example. Scroll down below and you will find this share button right here. I'd like you to click share button so you can see a YouTube link where you can share them on the internet. And everyone who clicks on this link will be led to this specific video. After you've copied this link, return to adfoc.us and paste it right here to shorten it. The web page essentially shortens a long URL. You will make a lot of money if someone clicks on the link. If people in the United States click on your link, you'll get paid more than $20. And if people in the United Kingdom click on your link, you'll get paid $10. This is an excellent opportunity to make money online simply by sharing a simple link. Now I'll show you how to create a free account on this website. Simply click the sign up button right here, and a window labeled Join adfoc.us will appear. Simply put in the required information, such as your email address and password. Then click on the I am not a robot box and the Agreement Terms and Conditions box, and click on the Join Now button to get started. When you log into your account, you'll notice a warning saying that your account information is incomplete. In order to receive payment, you must update your account details. It's important to keep your account up to date in order to get payment when you cash out your earnings. Simply click here on the account setting link, and you'll be taken to this page with account details. This is where you may make necessary updates to your account's information. Simply type your name, city, state, zip code, and country into the sections below. They are available in every country, as you can see. You can now proceed to the next step and fill out the information needed. When you're done, you can just click on this Update Information right here. This website uses PayPal to transfer funds, making it very convenient and simple for you. You can update your information by scrolling down to the Automatic Withdrawal section, which is right here. You can read it here that you can enable this option to automatically request payment each month. It's important that you enable this option right now. Then after you've enabled it, go ahead and hit this Update Setting button. Now I'll show you the payout rates for each country. You can see that if people from the United States click on your link, you will earn more than $20. However, if people from, for example, people from Nepal click on your link, you will earn more than $1. That $19 difference is really big. Keep watching until the end of the video because I'll show you more about this strategy. There are a lot of viral videos for planking, as you can see below. Let's take this video for example. Scroll down below and hit the share button. After that, this window will appear. Right here, click the copy button. Let's return to adfolk.us and paste the link right here in this bar. After you've pasted the link into this website, click the shrink button. The link you pasted will be automatically shortened by this website. Now I'd like you to repeat this method 5 times. And I want you to find videos and copy the link of those videos and shorten them on this website. Before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial interesting and useful, leave a comment down below because we'd love to know your thoughts. Now it's time to get back to work and continue making money. The next website that I want you to visit is called forum.bodybuilding.com. This is a well-known website since many people visit it to learn how to reduce weight and live a healthy lifestyle. You'll find a lot of topics about exercises and how to keep healthy if you scroll down below. A large number of people are contributing to this website by posting stuff. You can see how many people have viewed each post here, and there are a lot of people seeing this post right now. On this page, many of these have had over 10,000 views. When you come to this website, the first thing I want you to do is click on this button right here. You can see that you can choose from a lot of different countries here. Now I want you to click on the United States because you will make over $20 if people from the United States click on your link, which is incredible. For example, this post right here. You may click on it to find out what the current popular topic is and to learn more about it. You can see here that in this post, the people are leaving links that lead to videos. This is a good way to boost traffic and get many people from all around the world to click on your site. Right now, I'd like to share a planking post template with you so you can get an idea of what to write in these forums. First, I provide background information on planking. You can look it up on Google, and if you go down below, you'll notice that I've provided links to a planking tutorial video. I suggest that you upload at least 5 videos in order to earn more money when people click on your links. This is how you make money with this strategy. So that's how to earn hundreds of money using this method. You won't believe it, but that's all it takes to make simple money online. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you made it this far. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos. Subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know the easiest methods in making money online.